Yet who would have thought the old man to have had so much blood in him?
Mark that.
The Thane of Five had a wife. Where is she now? What? Will these hands ne'er be clean? Here's the smell of the blood. Still! All the perfumes of Arabia will not sweeten this little hand.